Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable animations and calls on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you want your calls to feel more dynamic and visually engaging, this setting is definitely worth turning on. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize different parts of your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see the Advanced option. Click on it to access more detailed controls and features that aren't available in the basic settings. Now, look for the option labeled Animations in Calls. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. This feature enhances your call experience by adding smooth animations, making everything feel more modern and interactive. After enabling it, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes.